manufacturers accelerated their acceptance of technology to compete during the pandemic of 2020. Moving to the cloud, using collaboration tools like Teams or Zoom, and connecting remotely were just some of the efforts to keep the company moving forward. It became abundantly clear that companies must embrace technology to stay competitive now and in the future. The Internet of Things, Manufacturing 4.0, Smart Factory, Artificial Intelligence, Robotics, and data analytics are some of the tools manufacturers will evaluate as we move out of the pandemic. For manufacturers in the mid-market, this digital transformation can be overwhelming, but you don't have to go it alone. At RAM Software Systems, our purpose is to empower mid-sized manufacturers to manage their future. If your legacy system is hampering your ability to achieve your business goals, we'd like to talk with you. You can contact us at consulting@ramsys.com, or you can call us at 972-669-0763. We are RAM Software Systems, Inc.